Today's pop has a simple goal, helping you to live a happy, healthy, successful, and fulfilled life. And we're very poised and committed to deliver this goal to you. I appreciate you for sparing our time to watch this channel. Please subscribe to this channel, like our videos, and share our links. This particular edition, we are considering making your stay at home time productive. COVID-19 has succeeded not just to generate panic and death, it has also compelled a majority of human beings in several countries of the world to lock down, stay home in order to stay safe. William J. Bennett said, and I quote, "Home is a shelter from storms, all sorts of storms. There is therefore the need to look inward while staying at home within and around you to maximize this period of social distancing for the best of your benefit. The only place you can be an ideal guest at is your home. Therefore, the pandemic of COVID-19 can add quantum leaps in certain areas of your life if you best use your stay at home. Now let's look at it. How? I'm looking at giving you at least 5 ways per episode of this edition. So today you're going to have 5. First, use this period to gain knowledge. Learn up to live on. There are several things you can learn beginning from where you are locked in. Read new books and reread old books. It was Cicero who said, and I quote, "A home without books is as a body without soul." End of quote. Search out DIYs, that is do it yourself, on YouTube as well as other mediums. There are several DIYs to acquire. How to cook a new meal and try out a new recipe. How to acquire a new skill like playing a guitar, playing snooker, pool, billiard, or learning a new way of doing things, a new skill, a new language. Finally, on this first point, sign up to some online classes to achieve homeschooling. On the flip side of it, you can also use this period to learn how not to do some things. 2. It's time for meditation. Make use of this time of coronavirus siege and the attendant lockdown to do some spiritual exercise. The value of time can never be better appreciated than at a time, the abundance of it, where we allow our mind to interface with our spirit and let it flow in calmness, quietness, and stillness, like water on a mission to soothe and refresh until we make something profound, lovely, and heavenly from this time to discover more from ourselves, in ourselves, for ourselves, something that can spread out as a shade to cover others around us from storm, pillage, and danger. For me, this is living. This is meditation. The time is now. That's the end of that quote. Use this period to practice lengthier sessions of meditation. Get close to God. Pray more. Study God's word now. More than ever. Feed your spirit. Feed your soul. Feed your inner man. 3. It's time for farming. Have you tried farming before? Not talking about commercial agriculture, something in a large scale. No, subsistence farming, something you can do at your backyard. Take this time and farm. Get into a farm. Start a garden or so around you. There are several crops you can cultivate, especially fast-yielding food crops that could be harvested in few months. An artificial fish pond by your house, a little home poultry farm. Those are not bad ideas. Do not say, "I don't have a thing for farm work. I can't bend." That's a worthwhile experience to try. To farm, to plant, to harvest, to produce food crops. This will go beyond making you a producer of food. The feeling that comes with being the source of food produce at a time like this is very enriching. 4. I presume that you are not actually self-isolating even from your loved ones and family, hence you're around them. That being the case, I urge you to use this very period to relate with them more closely. Pray with them, play with them, eat with them, bond with them some more. Mother Teresa did say, and I quote, "Love begins at home." End of quote. Turn your home right now to a theater of all-round fun, involving every character in that home. Don't just watch the shows on TV. Stage one in your home now. Even if you are the only one in that home, make it a show of 1-to-1 and for one. Are you a party man or woman and you can barely wait for the lockdown to be out and over? Then party right there. 5. It may seem natural for people to recall to themselves and hold back the need to share love and care in periods of austerity, crisis, and pandemic. But do not join such acts in humanity. I encourage you right now to sow some love and care to persons around you in your neighborhood more than ever before. Even your pets should actually get more attention from you now than ever. One of the lessons we'll learn soon is COVID-19 has put back into us the humanness natural to man. Share your food, share your clothing, share your knowledge, share your experiences and your story with people. Place those calls, all those persons you've been intending to call on phone but has been procrastinating. It's time to kill that procrastination. Do share a thing or so with someone now. Well, that's all for this episode. We'll continue in the next episode. Make sure you subscribe, share our links, and like our videos. All in all, don't forget to have fun and keep talking. Thank you for watching.